Welcome to JH. Olivanorma.com is an online shop specializing in spiritual healing and home decor, selling things like crystals and energy stones. Because apparently, your shelf isn't complete without a rock that claims to fix your aura. But the big question is whether this site is actually legit or just a black hole for your wallet. Let's break it down and see if their good vibes extend to their business practices. The first positive sign is their registration history. The website was created back in June 2021, meaning it's been around for a few years rather than a few weeks. In the world of internet scams, where sites disappear faster than your motivation on a Monday morning, this kind of longevity is actually a great sign. It suggests they are a stable business rather than a hit-and-run operation. They also maintain an active presence on Facebook and Instagram, which is always a plus. Active pages mean real posts, real comments, and actual customer interactions, providing a level of transparency that scammers usually avoid like the plague. It's much harder to hide when people can tag you in a public post to ask where their glowing pyramid is. Another point in their favor is the sheer variety of products they offer. From crystals to complex decor items, they've invested time into building a massive catalog. Most scammers are too lazy to curate such a large inventory. Plus, they actually list a real email and phone number. Providing contact details is a bold move for a fake store, unless they just really enjoy listening to people complain. However, when we look at the reviews on Trustpilot, things get a little more spiritual and a little less reliable. Some customers have reported slow replies and delayed shipping, leading to the inevitable panic that they've been scammed. Apparently, spiritual healing doesn't include the ability to teleport packages through customs any faster. On the flip side, many customers are genuinely happy, praising the beautiful designs and product quality. Even those who faced issues mentioned that the wait was worth it, and one person even received a quick refund when their item didn't match the description. So, while their customer service might be moving at the speed of a meditating monk, they do eventually get the job done. So, is Olivanorma.com legit? Yes, it appears to be a legitimate store with a solid track record since 2021. They have the social proof and the contact info to back it up. Just keep in mind that you might face some delivery delays and varying product quality. If you're in a rush for enlightenment, you might want to look elsewhere, but otherwise, they seem safe. Thanks for watching till the end.